Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve 4 power x plus 4 power x plus 4 power x plus 4 power x is equals to 1024 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with the today's video solution. So if I'll take 4 power x as common, so 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equals to 1024. So 4 power x times 4 is equals to 1024. Now 4 power x is equals to 1024 divided by 4. So 4 power x is equals to 256 and 4 power x is equals to 256 in terms of 4 power. We can write it as 4 power 4. Now if we compare both sides, if the base are equal, their power are also equal. So the value of x is 4. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.